Have you ever wondered how to turn your passion for metal furniture into a profitable business? In this guide, I will walk you through everything you need to know to start and grow a successful custom metal furniture business. 1. Identify your niche. Before you start, it's important to choose the right type of metal furniture to sell. Some popular options include industrial style coffee tables and dining tables, metal bed frames and headboards, shelving units, bookcases and console tables, outdoor patio furniture and garden benches. Why this matters? Choosing a niche helps you stand out from competitors. It allows you to focus on mastering a specific type of product. Customers are more likely to buy from a specialist rather than a general furniture maker. How to get started? Research what is trending on platforms like Etsy, Pinterest, and Instagram. Look at successful sellers and analyze what makes their designs unique. Pick a niche that aligns with your skills, tools, and materials. Finding the right niche sets the foundation for your success. 2. Design and prototype your products. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to create eye-catching designs. This involves sketching or using 3D design software like SketchUp or Fusion 360, building a prototype to test durability and aesthetics, refining your design based on customer preferences and market demand. Why this matters? A well-designed product sells faster and at a higher price. Prototyping helps you identify flaws before mass production. Offering customization options makes your furniture more appealing to buyers. How to get started? Start with 1 or 2 pieces and refine them based on feedback. Use high-quality metal and wood combination for a premium look. Test your prototype for stability, weight capacity, and finish quality. A solid design means less weight, higher profit, and happier customers. 3. Source quality materials at a good price. Your materials determine the quality, durability, and final cost of your furniture. Consider steel, wrought iron or aluminum for frames, reclaimed wood, glass or marble for tabletops, powder coating or clear finish for long-lasting protection. Why this matters? Using premium materials allows you to charge higher prices. Sourcing materials locally can reduce shipping costs. Bulk purchasing helps you save money and increase profit margins. How to get started? Find local metal suppliers for better pricing. Consider using salvage metal or reclaimed wood for a unique eco-friendly appeal. Compare different suppliers to get the best combination of price and quality. Your material choice can make or break your brand reputation and profitability. 4. Set up your workshop and tools. To produce high-quality furniture, you need the right tools. The basics include an MIG or TIG welder for clean strong welds, an angle grinder for cutting and smoothing metal, a drill press for precision holes, a powder coating setup or paint booth for professional finishes. Why this matters? Investing in good tools reduces mistakes and increases efficiency. A proper workshop setup helps you work faster and safer. High-quality welding ensures long-lasting, durable furniture. How to get started? Start with essential tools and upgrade as your business grows. Organize your workspace for maximum efficiency. Learn basic and advanced welding techniques to improve craftsmanship. A well-equipped workshop helps you produce faster and with better results. 5. Price your custom metal furniture for profits. Pricing can be tricky, but a good strategy is to consider material costs, that's steel, wood, finishing materials, labor and production time, overhead costs, that's workshop rent, electricity and tools, market demand and competitor pricing. Why this matters? Pricing too low reduces profit margins. Pricing too high can drive customers away. Finding the sweet spot ensures steady sales and good profits. How to get started? Use the cost plus pricing method, that's total cost plus profit margin. Check similar products online and adjust your pricing accordingly. Offer custom pricing for unique made to order pieces. Getting your pricing right ensures long-term business success. Six, market and sell your metal furniture. To make money, you need to get your product in front of the right audience. The best platforms include Etsy and eBay for selling handmade and custom furniture, Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist for local buyers, Instagram and Pinterest to showcase your designs visually, your own website to establish a professional brand. Why this matters? Online marketplaces connect with a global audience. Social media helps you build a loyal customer base. Having multiple sales channels increases your chances of success. How to get started? Take high quality photos of your products. Write detailed descriptions including materials, dimensions and customization options. Use SEO friendly keywords to rank higher on search results. Marketing effectively brings in more customers and increases sales. Seven, provide excellent customer service. Happy customers lead to repeat business and referrals. To build trust, offer fast and clear communication. Be transparent about production times and pricing. Handle returns or complaints professionally. Why this matters? Good reviews attract more buyers. Word of mouth marketing is free and powerful. Satisfy customers often order custom pieces or bulk orders. How to get started? Respond to customer inquiries quickly and politely. Deliver product on time and as promised. Offer warranty or repair services to build trust. A great customer experience sets you apart from competitors. Eight, scale your business for long-term success. Once you have a steady income, it's time to expand your operations. Consider hiring assistants or welders to increase production. Outsourcing part of your process to save time. Investing in better tools or larger workspace. Why this matters? Scaling helps you meet higher demand and earn more. Expanding your team lets you focus on design and marketing. Improving efficiency reduces costs and boosts profits. How to get started? Identify your busiest selling season and plan for increased production. Partner with local interior designer or businesses to get bulk orders. Offer subscription or custom order options for recurring customers. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing and sharing for others to also get it. See you in the next video.